The job market hasn't been great for computer science students, but that is changing in a really big way coming soon. You see, a lot of companies are wrapping up their financial year and are starting to realize where their weaknesses and strengths reside within their companies, based on those financial numbers and a fact of other things. On top of this, more and more data breaches along with outages are forcing companies to spend more money on talent for their products. As you know, most recently CrowdStrike had an incident, and even today Azure and Microsoft 365 products are, slowly getting back into the groove of things. And as an example, my team at Microsoft, we had to expand our infrastructure in accordance with our service level agreements with our customers. And that was a very stressful time where we needed more people actually to do this. And not only for me, but this is the same case across industry, is everyone is competing against everyone for AI solutions such as Gemini, Copilot, Grok, where everyone is trying to get that leading edge, which requires more talent. And like I said, that is just in the AI landscape. There are so many other positions open too to ensure consistency and availability among existing products and new products that companies plan on releasing. This leads me to my next point of maybe making yourself a little bit more marketable as a candidate itself. Now, you just don't have to be a software engineer. There's so many other positions that recruiters are opening for due to all these issues that we've seen in the past few months. However, one thing that they all have in common within every avenue in the tech landscape is understanding of cloud services and what cloud you're actually building infrastructure in. Look at what the companies you want to work out and see what cloud platform they use to deploy all of their infrastructure as well as their code. Now, to play it safe, you should get experience within Azure or AWS or both of them, as they have the majority market share, and 80% of the companies within the US or globally are using these cloud infrastructures. When you try to understand these cloud infras, it'll help you to be more applicable to a larger subset of positions, and also improve your development by understanding what components these cloud services actually provide to you. Now, a great place to start to actually build this knowledge is either taking the Cloud Plus from CompTIA and then merging that into the specific cloud infrastructure solutions architects or certifications that Azure AWS put out. There's a plethora of different things for every single person, depending on what role you want to go into. With this being said, would you want more Azure tutorials? In this case, I can definitely provide some more with, CI/CD workflows, along with building pipelines, even with building Kubernetes clusters or building a deployment for virtual machines, whatever you want. Let me know. Regardless, you really want to figure out what avenue you want to participate in, push your career towards. There's a lot of different avenues, but having this basis will definitely put you in a really good spot to kind of choose where you want to go. Now, like I said before, when a financial year closes and a new one opens, the recruiters and recruiting teams among these companies are working very diligently to fill these positions, which means they will go quickly. I can't stress it enough. Recruiters will try to fill these positions as quick as possible to meet quotas and to have their company perform at the highest level come, earnings times and whatnot. A great strategy that I've employed previously in my career looking for jobs is to gain a rapport with the recruiters at the companies that you are looking at. For example, a lot of job descriptions actually include that contact information, so make sure you connect with them on LinkedIn, or even some of them have scheduling opportunities where you can schedule a call with them, or even just text them on LinkedIn or whatnot. After you apply or before you apply, it's really great to build a rapport with them. Whether it's a scheduled lunch chat or a quick message or two, you should probably try to pick their brain about the role and try to get some more inside information that will allow you to be the best you can be come interview time if it gets that far. But lastly, do not get discouraged if you don't hear back immediately from these job listings. There are a lot of job postings right now at the beginning of the financial year, and recruiters are working diligently to fill these. However, the recruiting industry has been ravaged by layoffs, just as the rest of the world has, really. So don't get discouraged. Even internal employees at these big companies aren't getting responses for weeks and months at a time. There are a lot of job postings, and a lot of these recruiters have been ravaged by these layoffs. So have patience and use it to better yourself within that time. If you apply to a position and you apply yourself to better yourself by taking a boot camp or going on YouTube to just learn things or doing any personal product yourself, that can always be a good thing. And yeah, just be patient really, and good luck with your job search. With that being said, anything that you guys want to see next, if you do, comment down below, and have a great rest of your day. I look forward to hearing back from you more, and look forward to talking to more about tech industry things. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one. Bye.